All right, we're gonna smoke some bacon today. We're not making bacon, we're just smoking already made bacon. So we bought some store-bought thick cut bacon and we're gonna cook it on our pellet smoker instead of in the oven or on a frying pan inside. So we have some that's on a cookie sheet with a rack on top, and also some right on the rack of the grill. So we're gonna smoke it for 30 minutes at 200 degrees, and then we're gonna crank the temperature up to 400 to finish it off and give it that crisp finish. So let's start. All right, so we've been cooking the bacon, or we've smoked it for 30 minutes at 200 degrees. We're gonna kick it up to 400 now to finish it off until it's crispy. We're gonna leave it in while the smoker's heating up, and this is gonna take probably around 15 to 20 minutes. So let's turn up the temperature. All right, so our bacon that is directly on the smoker, the rack, is finished. So we're gonna pull that off and let the other bacon go for a couple more minutes. So let's pull it off. All right, so the bacon on the tray is finished, so we're gonna pull that off. So the bacon's finished. We smoked it for 30 minutes at 200, then turned the temperature up to 400 to finish it off. Took about 15 minutes when it was straight on the grill rack, about 20 when it was on the cookie sheet with the cooling rack. Turned out extremely crispy and extremely tasty.